Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com showing you the new tiles that have arrived today. We've got 4 of them out here on the showroom floor. I'm going to kind of do an overall video so it makes it easier for you guys to understand the differences in the colors. So in the distance there is the gray color, we're calling it concrete. Next to that is the ivory travertine. Over here we have the Carrara white, and then next to that is the fossil gray. So now I'm going to go in for a close-up for each one. I do have a lot of sunlight coming in over here, as you can see, so I also have a photography light right here to help offset that strong sunlight, and hopefully we'll get a good video out of this. So over here on the concrete, really nice clean design. I'm gonna kind of go this way, guys. In the gray color, it is a modern look with kind of just a dappled tone on tone gray color. It really does look like concrete. That's what we were going for. You do see a lot of concrete up and coming, trending in the design world. So we did find this would be a good selection. It's also just a neutralized gray, so this would work for any of the people that want some gray colors. Going to the ivory travertine. This looks just like ivory travertine. It is in the cream colors with a little touch of some gray in there. Really soft stone kind of look. And these all have the 30 mil wear layer, so they're all in the extreme series. I would like to point out that this has the Belinge 2G click system on here, a little bit different than the SUPERCore planks. It is what the industry standard is for a lock system on this size tile, which is a 12-inch by 24-inch. So you will be putting this one together a little different, and we will have to provide you with a more detailed Belinge 2G installation guide. So looking closer here at the fossil gray, just a medium tone gray with some lighter areas and some little kind of like crustaceans and sea life impressions are in there. And then going on to the Carrara white, it's a beautiful crisp white floor with some really nice grain, gray veining, I should say, in there. And it's a really beautiful, clean, true white. And I am having a hard time getting good lighting on this, so it shows up very well. So I'm going to scoot around here and see if this helps. There we go. And we are ready to sample these. So go ahead and order your samples. The sample buttons are right there on each product page. Let us know what you think about the colors. Your feedback is greatly appreciated, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.